Danny Heisock here with Call One Inc., helping people do their business better. So as a Plantronics Platinum partner, we do receive some of the products before they're publicly announced. And so today for you, we have the new Plantronics Calisto 3200 and the Calisto 5200. Side note, I'm probably going to get with Plantronics to try to understand why everything's the 3200. You have the Blackwire 3200, you have the Voyager 3200, and now you have the Calisto 3200. But anyway, so these are two brand new USB speakerphones. So let's just jump in and take a look. Alright, so you see you get this box here. There's that junk that nobody ever looks at. This got this little quick start guide here in the front. So it doesn't look like this supports Bluetooth. And this is the 3200, so let's take a look. It's got this nice little case. And here is the actual speakerphone. Looks kind of cool. So they're sticking with that sort of color scheme where it's black, and then they got the what they call lava. Woo, lava. All right, so this is the cable for it, and again, this one here appears to be USB only. And let's see if the 5200 is any different. So we'll open that guy up. It's got the same quick start guide, same stuff in here, which is nothing of importance. So let's open this guy up. And let's take a look. Alright, so this guy here looks just like this guy here. So they look the same. So it's got USB. Oh, here we go. It's got USB, but it also has a 3.5. So I believe that is the primary difference between the 3200 and the 5200. One supports USB only, and the other supports USB and 3.5 millimeter connection, assuming you don't have, you know, one of those phones that doesn't have a 3.5 millimeter headset port anymore. If you like this type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please comment and let us know what kind of videos you guys want to see. For more information, look in the description box below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.